Dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to have a look at a simple trick to remove a stud. So how can we remove this stud, for example? Shall I try it with a plier? Well, see, the teeth of the plier will cause permanent damage to the stud. Especially if you are planning to reuse the stud, this is not the right way to go about it. So what shall we do? The best and useful trick is to use a couple of nuts to do the removal. Removal and installation of the stud can be done with these two nuts. So this is how it is done. First, you put on one nut, and then you bring another nut on top. Then, with these two rings, you lock them up. Let's lock them up. Bring this up. Lock them up. Now once the nut is locked, then I can use the lower nut to remove the entire stud. See, it's coming up. See, clean stud. So this is the best and preferable way of removing stud. You can get rid of the bolt. So here we have a clean stud. If you want to replace it with a new one, procedure is the same. You put it in, then we do the same thing to tighten it. Couple of nuts and two rings. Bring it up. Lock them up. Now this time, we will use the upper nut to tighten it. So this is a proper way of removing and installing studs. That's it. The next tip and trick is about tightening a bolt that is way down there. Let's say I wanted to tighten this and take it with the wrench. Put it in. See? Keeps falling. So what can we do to fix this problem? The solution? Piece of paper. Just fold it, put it on top of the bolt, and then you are good to go. You can take this to anywhere. The other trick is washers. Keeping a washer on a bolt, see, it won't stay. So it cannot be tightened. So the trick, paper again. This time what you do is, you have it a little bit tiny paper, put it on top, have it like so, and then insert the washer. See? No problem at all. You can take it there, tighten it. So you can simply, by using a paper, you can overcome this problem. Nice trick. This next video is about increasing your leverage when removing bolts or nuts that are tightened. Let's say, for example, I wanted to remove this 19mm bolt with this. As you can see, I cannot move it with this combination wrench. So what do? Have another wrench. It could be a box wrench or it could be a combination of this kind, and then insert it in here and do the levering. Lock them like this, increase your leverage. Let's try it. See? Now I am able to break this bolt. So you can increase the leverage. Tightening can also be done in a similar manner. If I wanted to tighten it, same way, lock it like this. Lock them up. So this way you can tighten and loosen bolts. Well, dear viewers, the next trick is about removing bolts that are associated with gears that are in mesh. Now the problem is when you are trying to remove a bolt that is connected to a meshed teeth, you have to keep one teeth stationary. For example, if I wanted to remove this flange, look what happens. As I try to remove the bolt, the entire differential assembly will keep on turning. It will do the same when I try to tighten it as well. Tightening and loosening will keep on rotating. It will keep on rotating. So the teeth has to be prevented from rotation. What can we do to keep it? Well, the best trick is to put on a piece of cloth. Just jam in a piece of cloth between the meshed teeth. That way you will prevent it from rotating, and this method will not cause any damage to the meshed teeth. Let's try that. Simply stuff it in, and as the gears rotate, it will jam it. See? Now I can remove the bolts. Now I can remove the bolts. No rotation of this component here. So this way you can prevent meshed teeth from causing trouble when tightening. But you can use it on timing chain, you can use it on timing gears, any meshed teeth, you can use it on transmission gears. So this trick is a very nice one. It can be loosened. This can also be loosened in a similar fashion. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please smash the like button and have a nice time.